Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you are doing well. This is Mrs. Manda Matai, जहां आप सीखते हैं हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। आज के इस वीडियो में आप सीखेंगे कोरोना वायरस से रिलेटेड ग्लोसरी मीन्स शब्दावली। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज की शब्दावली। कोरोना वायरस की शब्दावली में हम सबसे पहले सीखेंगे कोविड-19 को कोविड-19 क्यों कहा जाता है। COVID-19, it's in abbreviation form. COVID means coronavirus and D stands for disease. It outbreak in 2019. That's why it is known as COVID-19. आइए इसका सेंटेंस में एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। COVID-19 has spread worldwide. आपने न्यूज़पेपर्स में पढ़ा होगा नोवेल वायरस, न्यूज़ चैनल्स में सुना होगा नोवेल वायरस। इट मीन्स न्यू स्ट्रेन ऑफ वायरसेस, नो इम्यूनिटी अगेंस्ट इट। मीन्स इंसानों में इसकी क्षमता नहीं है। इम्यूनिटी मीन्स क्षमता या शक्ति। Now we will learn about self-isolation means स्वयं चुना एकांत। If you have just returned from outside the country, you should self-isolate as a prevention. अगर आप दूसरे देश से लौटे हैं तो आपको अपने बचाव के लिए स्वयं चुना हुआ एकांत अपनाना चाहिए। आइए इसको एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से समझते हैं। इफ़ यू आर आस्क्ड टू गो इनटू सेल्फ आइसोलेशन, you will be required to stay at home for 14 days. Next word is outbreak. This word is very common. You might have read in the newspaper. Outbreak means noun, जिसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं प्रकोप या फिर धड़ाका। A quick increase in an action or number of something. For better understanding an outbreak word, we are going through the examples. Due to the coronavirus, the effect of the outbreak was in every way disastrous. In this sentence, you can use also in place of outbreak word attack. Next example, the area was struck by an outbreak of coronavirus. In this sentence, in place of outbreak word, you may also use word episode. After the outbreak of coronavirus, government was panicked that how to keep people very safe, so government imposed lockdown. Word lockdown, it's in noun form, means तालाबंदी, नाकाबंदी, a situation in which people are not allowed to enter or leave a building or area freely. Let's understand the example of lockdown. The prison inmates were placed on lockdown and weren't allowed to leave their cells. 17. This is in noun form and verb form also, means alag karna, place into enforced isolation as for medical reasons. Let's understand the example. India has quarantined itself from world for a month to fight coronavirus. भारत ने कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए 1 महीने के लिए दुनिया से खुद को अलग कर लिया है। Now we will learn about social distancing. It is in noun form, means सामाजिक दूरी बनाना, आपसी दूरी। Social distancing is a set of measures aimed at stopping the spread of an infectious disease based on staying away from other people as much as possible. It includes things like working from home, only going out to buy food and other essentials, and avoiding contact with other people. Social distancing has become very necessary to be safe. Let's understand the example. प्रैक्टिस सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग टू स्टे सेफ. सुरक्षित रहने के लिए सामाजिक दूरी बनाए रखें. शब्द है मास्क मीन्स नाउन. हिंदी में हम इसको मुखौटा कहते हैं. Definition of mask: something that you wear that covers your face or part of your face. People wear masks to hide nostrils and mouth to protect themselves from coronavirus. Let's understand this example. She wears mask due to coronavirus. वह कोरोना वायरस के कारण मुखौटा पहनती है. For the ending of the video, please take care of yourself and your family in this pandemic situation. For more educational videos, subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. 2 गज दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी.